Makati, Century City, Manila. And we got the beach right here, but these rock formations just go straight up, covered with forest and caves everywhere. Just about everywhere you go, there's caves. Another cave structure here. This is a different one. Goes out to the other side, to the ocean. It's about 90 degrees outside. It's cool in here. Really need a light source. Somewhere in Samar. So we're coming out of the cave, one of those caves, into the jungle. Looks like there was a trail here at one time. I think we can take it. Going to go down to the beach, I think. I hear the water. Aha! There's the beach. Pretty cool. Through the mountain, through the caves to the beach. Look at this. This place is really cool. Samar Island, Philippines.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, we found this beautiful little banded, black and yellow banded snake. It seems to be pretty shy, not aggressive. Not sure what it is. Maybe some undiscovered animal. Pretty thin body. Now he's coming down, we can get a good look at him. On the ventral side, no pattern. Smooth scale. Eyes are a little big. Very pretty. You want to come up here? Get a good bite? Just a tremendous little snake. Kind of looks like a California king snake. Body style a little different.
Okay.
All right, let's see if we can have him go up a little tree or something. This one here. This will tell us if he likes to climb. And I would say he does climb. Beautiful. There he goes. There's another little mud box turtle. Hopefully he'll come out and we can get him walking in a minute. Yeah, move it all out of there. See the color on this baby. Oh, look at it. It's kind of got a striping pattern on it. Not much color. Pretty dull here in the Philippines, these reticulated pythons. And this guy is really, really thin. Not really good shape. Now these guys are one of the largest pythons in the world. They get up to 25, 30 feet, and they have a nasty bite. So you don't want to get bit by these. They're not venomous. Okay, we got a nice little snake that seems to be hanging out by the water. This one's gonna shed, but he's got a little collar on him that looks kind of like a wolf snake. Here. Here.
Okay, which?
He wants to flee instead of fight, that's for sure. Yeah, with that little band, he's going to shed, but a little reddish. This looks like a wolf snake.
Doesn't have that overbite.
Well, it may.
Don't even chance it. They call him a bean here. Right, guys, a bean? A bean.
Rear fang snake, I would say. Okay, we've been called by the villagers here in Palo Leyte. They have a cobra here in the village, so they've called me to remove it. So actually we're waiting for the owner of this establishment here, this little Sari store, to come. And supposedly there's a big bad cobra back here. So we'll wait for him and we'll see what we got. Cobra, and he's trapped in there. The light's bad. But I got a dislocated shoulder and a broken foot. I don't know how I'm going to get in there. Yeah, that's a nice little cobra.
You want the tongs? Can you reach with the tongs?
No.
If I know where it is, I can... Behind me.
Bring it back.
Get this, ready?
Bring it back. Here, hold this, hold this, hold that. Hold that. All right.
Oh my God!
Now this is just too dangerous here with all these people. With all these people. Okay, right there. Keep them down there. All right. This is the speckled cobra. He's recovering now. Watch out. Okay, now don't do this at home. One bite, and I'm dead in 10 minutes.
I will not do it because I'm so scary. I will not do it.
He's a little weak from being in there.
It's not a baby.
No,
So he's too weak to even hood now. He just wants to leave. He doesn't even want to hood.
yeah, shoot him towards the river.
Yeah. So let's put him back over here where he belongs.
Oh no, ba maglapos? Woohoo! Pagilabo. It will not bite.
Yes, it will bite if I let it. You don't want to play with these. Very dangerous. You don't want to play.